Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. I know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, with another driving video. So today we're in Maypen, Clarendon, the town of Maypen, just past the clock. So we're doing a driving video from Maypen to basically Denbigh. So stick around, drive with me, drive along, and we'll complete this driving video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, guys. We're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers in the shortest possible time, but more than likely before September 1st. So let's see if we can do it before September 1st. And turn on that post notification bell icon, so once we do a new upload, you can see as well. Most of my videos have been around Kingston because that's where I reside. So I'm trying to do some videos in Maypen as well for you guys, and some videos outside of Kingston as well, so you guys can see what's happening all around. Leave a comment, guys, what you think about Maypen. I know a lot of persons have said that, you know, it's underdeveloped and, you know, much more development is needed, which I agree with. A lot has happened, yes. They have fixed most of the roads, them including this one we're on. It was very bad before. So a lot is happening, but there's still a lot that can happen for such a main town area, the capital of Clarendon. You know, one of the main town areas on the southern coast. So a lot more can happen for real. So we're just driving down Main Street. That's the street we're on, Main Street. We're passing courts, and we passed some other businesses up top as well. So leave your comments, guys. What do you think about Maypen? Let me know in the comment section. We have Singer right in front of us. So from Main Street, then we're on to Manchester Avenue. Still a part of the town area, but a little bit outside of the town, a little. Nelson Street was on the left, and we have Juicy Patties on the left as well. Sagicor Bank on the right. So we're on Manchester Avenue, going down to Denbigh area, going down to the stoplight. That's the only stoplight in Maypen, possibly the only stoplight in Clarendon as well. But correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I'm just talking off the top of my head. Can't remember another stoplight in Clarendon as yet. So we have NHT Clarendon office on the right. I think they're doing a little development over there with a few scheme houses. And then we have the new KFC on the right as well. I'm just going to take a little spin around with you guys over by the new KFC. A Total gas station is over there as well. And a cafe that was a major chill spot in Maypen. But since KFC came, a lot less business have been going to the cafe. They usually do chicken, hot dogs, burgers. But now we have a second KFC in Maypen. The first one is up closer to the town area. So this is the Total gas station, one of the main gas stations in Maypen. Just showing you guys around the place. And then on this side we have the Stoplight Wholesale, we have iPro and KFC. So I'm just gonna come around this side and take a quick turn around. Very popular wholesale in Maypen, Stoplight Wholesale. They have grown over the years into this bigger building. So we just come down here and turn. This is an auto place on the left, developed by Sagicor. And then all of this was a big empty lot. So we see KFC took up some of this space. This new plaza by Sagicor took up some of the place. Stoplight Wholesale took up some of the space. iPro. So this was a very big empty land, and it's now being developed. This plaza looks very new because it has spaces for rent and not much activity over there. To how big this space was, I think a major concert kept on it one time. I don't remember the name of it, but it's one of those big parties like Sting that kept on this entire lawn, because it was a very big lawn. So this is the plaza. Looks like around 5 to 6 shops, probably 7, probably 8. A bit secluded at the back, but still some commercial area. Right, so we'll drive back out to KFC and then go back onto Manchester Avenue and just go down to Denbigh. We'll pass the Maypen Hospital as well. So just showing you guys around the place. Probably haven't come this side in a while. So let's take a little spin over by the KFC. Still pretty new, probably around 6 months old. So it's KFC and Pizza Hut. On a Friday out here is full. And then when I make this left turn in front of us, I think they're developing a scheme, a very small compact scheme right over there. Probably it's already sold out. I'm not sure if it's townhouses or if it's studios, but I'm thinking they may be well sought after because they're beside these commercial areas. So new Pizza Hut, new KFC. Yeah, I did an entire video on this, so I think I can put it in the description and in the comments. I did a more detailed video on the new KFC for Maypen when they just opened. Alright, let's go back now onto Manchester Avenue. So lots of parking spaces as well. Don't think parking is not easy. They have also 2 drive-through lanes, which is really good. I've never seen 2 drive-through lanes at any other KFC. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the only KFC I see with 2 lanes for drive-through. And believe you me, sometimes on a weekend it's still very full. So we're back onto Manchester Avenue. So this is the stoplight at Glenmuir Road intersection. So on the right we have Stewart Hardware, one of the more popular hardwares in Maypen. Stewart Hardware and Home Center on the right. And you know, way down here in Maypen we see our friends again, National Water Commission, digging up another road, and then it takes 50 years to be repaved. So that's Water Commission probably changing some pipe, upgrading some pipe, repairing some pipe, or fixing some leakage. That's usually the reasons they give. But the problem is they take forever, and sometimes they never fix back the road. So we have the Maypen Hospital on the left. You guys probably can see a little glimpse. It's the Maypen Hospital. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks so much for watching. And if you have reached this far in the video, I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. We have a few hardwares on the left, BMT hardware. So thanks so much for the continued support, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share as well. And remember, if you want to donate to the channel, you have some options for that too. So I'll definitely see you on another video, and I'll leave you right here, which is outside the DENBIGH showground. This is a popular attraction in Maypen. In August, I think it's August, 3 days in August, August 3rd, 4th, and 5th. The DENBIGH showground. I think this year will be the 68th anniversary. So it's August 4 to 6, 3 days. Popular DENBIGH Showground Agriculture Show. I think one of the years I'll go over there on one of the days and show you guys a video. It has to be multiple video because a lot of attractions over there, a lot of things to see, so it'll be hard to put everything in one video unless the video is going to be very long. But this is where I leave you guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on another video.